Anti-geyser is disabled.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off.
Are we just doing that? Sitting on the button? Beginning pitch over. Stage 1 propulsion nominal.
Liftoff for Electron and Viva StriX, now on its way to orbit for the 9th time from LC-1 Force Inspective. And we are 43 seconds into flight now with our first milestone coming up, and that will be max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure, which is the moment when the combination of Electron's velocity and the atmosphere's density creates the greatest amount of stress against the rocket. So let's listen now for the call out from GNC in Mission Control.
Supersonic approaching max Q. Cleared max Q.
You heard it there. We have cleared max Q on our way to LEO Force Inspective. Electron is now more than 16 kilometers above Earth and traveling at more than 1,900 kilometers an hour. That's thanks to those 9 Rutherford engines at the bottom of Electron's first stage, which are more than halfway through their expected burn time before we reach our first stage separation milestone. What that involves is MECO, stage separation, and then engine ignition for the second Rutherford engine.
MECO comes first, which is when the first stage power pack shuts down just a couple of seconds before the second stage is released. Then once it's cleared some distance from the first stage, the Rutherford engine on the second stage lights up. And we'll be able to see those moments live on our screen from the onboard camera feed, and they're expected to start in just a few seconds. So let's watch and listen now.
15 seconds till staging.
Entered burned out detect mode.
MECO confirmed.
Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
Wow, excellent performance by Electron there through MECO, stage sep, and second stage engine ignition. That Rutherford engine on Electron's second stage there is running beautifully as expected. That means the next event on the mission timeline is fairing separation, which we're expecting that to take place in just a few seconds.
Fairing jettison confirmed.
And there you have it, with fairing jettison confirmed. Right there on your screen is the latest StriX satellite by Synspective, getting ready to deploy to low Earth orbit as the 9th satellite in their constellation. But before that happens, we've got just 6 minutes or so of engine burn time for the second stage before we separate the kick stage for its phase of the mission.
Stage 2 propulsion nominal.
Battery jettison confirmed.
Hot swap successful.
You heard it there. Battery hot swap successful for the Rutherford engine, and that completes one of the final few actions left on the second stage for this mission. So what comes next is the release of the kick stage from stage 2, but we've got another couple of minutes until that's expected to happen right around the T plus 9 minute mark. Otherwise, stage 2 is powering on nominally, now at more than 196 kilometers above Earth and traveling at more than 17,000 kilometers an hour.
SECO confirmed.
Nominal transfer orbit achieved.
Stage separation confirmed.